Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use the glowing fish effect here. So let me show you what an example of the glowing fish effect looks like. So we can see the image is still or is moving subtly, while fishes of different colors just appear in front as if it's a they're in the river or the ocean. So to create this effect, all you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, click on visual effect after signing in, then look for the glowing fish effect, click on it. You'll be brought to a page like this where you can now click on generate. So after clicking on generate, you can upload your image here, then click on describe the prompt you want to have, and then choose the model of choice and click on generate. In a few seconds your video would be rendered and you're ready to see. Then you'll be able to download it from this area by clicking on this download icon here. So once you're done, you can now integrate this into your project. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and if you're having any problem or trouble, let me also know. Thank you very much. Do have a good day, and please subscribe to the channel as we are actively trying to grow our subscriber base.